Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you watch this video to the end, you have 99.5% chances of becoming a profitable trader. All right. This video is for struggling traders, people jumping from one YouTube channel to another, from one Telegram channel to another, looking for the holy grail. All right. Every day you watch new strategy, at the end of the day, you still make huge losses. This video is for you. If this is your first time hearing my voice or coming across Trade with Michel YouTube channel, my name is Michel. I'm the number one trading educator who truly cares about you watching me right now becoming an independent profitable trader. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you step by step how you can come into the chart, look at the chart, note what is going on in the chart, know how to trade and make profit. All right. You see, most traders are not failing because trading is hard. They are failing because their strategy is weak. Okay. And right now, I'm going to explain to you how to trade. See, let me tell you something. Look at this chart here. Okay. Look at this chart. Okay. You see how I map out this chart? I analyze this chart, and the markets come here and just say from that point, look what I'm showing you here. From this point, you see, this is very accurate sniper entry. And this is exactly what I'm going to show you right now. So this is not the time of you jumping from one strategy. I know you are used to it. You have watched thousands of videos here, still nothing changed. But I can assure you, if you can pay close attention, watch this video to the end with your clear mind, you're gonna learn a lot of things from here. From this video, you're gonna learn a lot. Okay, because I'm not happy that you are struggling on a daily basis. You can't make profit, you can't boast of it. All right, so here I'm gonna show you step by step using my trader, analyze what I did and how I got it. Okay, and make this profit. This is huge, bro. This is very, very huge. You see, from this point, all right, from this point to this point, okay, and more than. So I'm going to show you everything step by step. So if this you are new to my channel, if you have not subscribed, I want you to just do something. Hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that anytime I drop more videos, YouTube gonna notify you. This is the best channel to be in right now. Just be very, very happy that you find this channel. All right. And I want you to comment TUBA strategy, because that is a strategy we are trading with. That's my strategy, TUBA strategy. Okay. Comment TUBA strategy. And if you are not in my Telegram channel, all right, I just want you to come in, click the link on the description to join Trade with Michel TUBA Nation. Okay. Trade with Michel TUBA Nation. Or you come to Telegram channel, type at Michel Tuba, at Michel Tuba. Remember, I don't offer free signals. I only focus on mentoring traders to become independent and profitable. All right. So right now, let's jump into the video. Let me show you everything step by step. I know you more than you know yourself in this trading industry. I know that your chart is full of noise, is full of indicators, is full of Bollinger Band, moving average, RSI, many, okay, many indicators, okay. But let me tell you something. The truth, if you want to become a profitable trader, stay away from indicators. I don't care the name of your indicator, stay away. Yes, you may be making small profit, but I want to show you what is happening in the market, how this market moves. That's what I want to show you here. So rethink, okay? Rethink, because you have been making today, you make a little today, you lose tomorrow. All right. You have not making consistent profit. So, like I promised you, I'm gonna show you everything here step by step. Now, welcome to the chart again. Once you come into the chart here, okay, once you come into this chart here, let me say you something. You must think like the institutional, the banks, okay, the big players in the market. Big players in the market, they don't just come into the market and go to 1 minute time frame or 5 minutes time frame and start clicking buy or sell. No, they don't do that shit. It's only you that just come into the chart and think that I want to, trade 1 minute. All right. Big players in this industry, they know what is happening in the market. They know what is happening in the market. And how do you know? When you come into the chart, forget about what is happening in the 1 minute, what is happening in the 5 minutes, what is happening in 15 minutes, because this place, this area is full of noise. Okay, now let me show you something. You may be thinking that, you know, this market from here now, looking at days, you may say that, oh, this market is started uh going down, okay, because this market keep on breaking structures, you know, it keep on breaking structures. You may think, oh, because of this market keep breaking structures, people like you may even decide to start selling from here. Okay, you may start selling like this. But what happened? The market keep on buying because this area, this 5 minutes is full of noise. So what do you do anytime you come here? Be it in the morning, anytime. Why I love synthetic indices is that here is open 24 hours in a day, 7 days in a week. So sometimes you say, I'm a busy person, this, blah, blah, blah. You are just giving unnecessary excuses. All right. Now, if this is your first time of hearing synthetic indices, this is the Reef Broker. All right. And this is their trading view. All right. This derive broker and this is their trading view. And this is where you can find this volatility 25 1x index. So you can go to your MT5 and do it. And if you want me to do a video on that, then comment in the comment section. Okay. Go and comment. Then I will prepare a video for you. Now, here you come in here, like I said, you first of all check the higher time frame. And where are your higher time frame? Your higher time frame is your daily time frame. Here, you don't see daily, you see 24 hours. All right, you see 24 hours. This one end 24 hours. But if you come to normal trading view for currency pairs, the normal trading view, then you can get monthly, yearly, and all the rest of them. But here, this derive um, um, trading view, you this one ends 24 hours. And how to get this trading view, you go to chat.derive.com/derive. All right. A lot of you have been asking me, how do you get derive trading view? Go to chat.com. Chat, please, chat.derive.com. Chat.derive.com/derive. All right. Now, when you come in here, you can still do this with your phone. All right. You can do this with your smartphone. Okay. When you come in here, you first of all start from the highest time frame. And the highest here now is 24 hours. All right. As you can see here, this is the daily. Okay, daily. Now, when you come in here, you check what the market is doing. This simply means that the big players are buying. All right, the market is going up. All right, the market is going up here. So the next thing for you to do is to look for long position. The market is bullish, so look for bullish opportunities. Look where you can find and buy. When I talk about bullish, I'm talking about buying. All right. Now, since we are finally looking at this market, you see that this market is going up. This market is going up. This simply means that we have more buyers here than sellers. Market is going up. So what do we need to do? We need to, join the market. But now, do we just because of the market is going up, you just come into the market and click buy? The answer is no. All right. The answer is no. What do you do next? Since we have found out that this is 24 hours, the market is going up. So we want to join the trend of this market by buying. Join the market and go up. All right. Now you go down, you narrow it down again to H4. All right. We have um um this thing 8 hours, but TUBA strategy, like I told you earlier, this strategy I have backtested takes hundreds of times, more than hundreds of times, and is very, very accurate. This is TUBA strategy. Okay, TUBA strategy simply means Trade with Mitchell, which is my brand, unbeatable, accurate. Trade with Mitchell, unbeatable, accurate. That's the name of this strategy. All right, and this strategy is made up of price action, the structure, and a lot of things. A lot of things which I explain in the TUBA strategy mentorship. If you want that, just go there. The videos are there, everything are there. You're gonna enjoy the community. Now let's go back to H4. Okay, here you come to H4. All right. Now there is something you need to look for in this H4. All right. You look for inducement. You're gonna look for inducement. Here you come in here. All right. Once you come in here, you're gonna look for inducement. Now, I want to show you something. Once you come to this H4, your question should be, where is the inducement of this market? Because you really need that inducement to be taken out. Okay, ask yourself, where is the inducement? A lot of you, where you are finding difficulties, how to spot your inducement. And how to spot your inducement step by step, I have made a video for that. Go and watch it. Okay, now, since you have found your inducement, the next thing to do is to go back to your H1. All right, go to your H1. We have 2 hours here. We have 24 hours, we have 8 hours, we have 4 hours, we have 2 hours. Remember, what we are making use of here is 24 hours. The next is 4 hours. The next again is 1 hour. Now, what are we going to do in this 1 hour? We are going to this 1 hour to find the perfect OB for this trade. OB means other block. That is where we are going to trade from. Okay, there are many blocks. We have breaker block. We have a lot of them. Okay, but here we are gonna use, other block OB. Now, what I did is to map out this OB, and I see that, okay, this is the perfect OB. This is where I'm expecting this market to come in. All right, this is where I'm expecting this market to come in. Now, does it mean that because of you just, map out the OB, the market immediately it comes here, you start buying because the markets have touched your entry zone? The answer is no. I don't know if you're getting the point now. The answer is no. This is how professionals think. This is how smart traders think. You don't just come in here and do random things. That's why you're unprofitable. You don't have patience. Okay. Now you come down, draw this your thing, and wait. Now you need something again. The market need to come. Now, for me, I love 5 minutes. Now, this is now where that your 5 minutes start playing. All right. This is where your 5 minutes come in. Your 1 million is come in. Remember, we have started from the ups, from the higher. Now we are going lower. I hope you are getting this now, because I'm trying to explain this, because I'm sick and tired of you blowing an account, losing money on a daily basis. I feel like crying for you. All right. I feel like just crying for you. And that's why I'm just doing this for you. So pay close attention. After watching this video, go to your chat, put what I'm just saying here. Practice. This is something that I have tested and I'm sure of it. I'm very, very sure of it. This is not a time of you watching series of videos of today we have a new strategy, next tomorrow we have another new strategy, we have this indicator, this one is a bro. This thing keep on destroying your account. All right. Even in this channel already, I have some indicators videos. That was videos I make like 4 or 5 years ago. I'm not using those shit again. The videos are there. I'm no longer using it. I make little money, but I lose money. But this one, if you can master it the way I do, you meant, oh gosh, you make a lot of money, bro. You'll be proud of yourself, and your family is gonna be proud of you too. Now let's still go back to the video. All right. Now, when you come in here, you look for confirmation. All right. Confirmation is very, very important. Now, let me show you something. You see, for example of this trade here, I map out this because I want to join the trend. Okay. But this market did not give me a confirmation. It did not. Rather, immediately it just come. It break the structure I've already drew. It did not give me any clear confirmation. It keep on making series of lower lows. Okay, and take this zone out. Look here. Look here. All right. Look here. And they still repeat the same thing again. Now, this is the time I will be saying, okay, I really want to, because of the market have break above, make series of higher high here and keep going up. Now, I may say, okay, maybe this market is ready to go. And immediately it tap in here also. It still break this zone again. I don't know if you're getting my point. So you must trade with confirmation. And how to avoid all this, I have already made a series of videos out for this. It's in the TUBA Strategy Mentorship. I have made a series video on how to avoid these things you are seeing here. The videos are there. Go and watch it. All right. Now, I have to wait again. So immediately I come in here. You saw the before. I showed you the before at the beginning of this video. You can go back and watch that part again. I mean, the beginning, the introduction of this video, I show you my before and the after. Now I have showed you how I map out this, because now we are talking about this. I use this one to tell you how to avoid all this. Okay, remember we map this starting from the higher time frame, but from the confirmation zone, that's where you put your trigger. And there, if no confirmation, no entry. That is number one rule in TUBA Strategy Mentorship. No confirmation, no entry. Now here, did we see a confirmation here? The answer is yes. Even if your eye is blind, you can see this, that this market is ripe enough to go. It's time to go up. It's time to make money for us. All right. Now go back to the beginning of this video, or click the description link to join my Telegram channel, to go and see what I'm doing there. Go and view your just go and enjoy yourself there. And you see how I pick this entry at this point in time, because this trade is not ripe, it's due. Many of you, if you have your moving average, maybe you see where you'll be taking the trade, you see where you are losing. Let's say, for example, if you have put 200 moving average, yes, like many of you are doing, you are trading with moving average 50. All right. If you place it, the time it will, many of you are doing crossover. Okay, by the time it will cross, it will be around this zone, and you'll be thinking that this market want to go up. See what happened. The market reverse back. You are not out of the market. Okay, you are not out of the market. At the end of the day, you keep on complaining. Okay, but here you see sniper entry. You can stack your position here, boom, and the market go up. Now, how many did we make here? Starting from the time I enter this trade, if yes, my Excel is here. Okay, it need to be here, but you see here, no, nothing like drawdown, bro. No drawdown, bro. So if we are just, let's say we still give the market a little room here. Okay, this is 16.5. Do you know what it means that you have a striker giving you 15 return on and 16 return on investment? I don't know if you're getting the point here. This is not just a choice strategy. This is the best currently now. Tuba is the best, and I'm proud of it. You may be saying that, what? Yes, I know what I'm telling you. Okay, so imagine from here how much you'll be making here. Okay, let's say for example, even if you say, okay, I'm giving this market to room, you also making 10, 1:10. But just look at, because the market move, you know, just look at, from that point you stack your positions and move. You see, 16.27. And not only that, the market keep going up. Currently, see the way the market reach. Let's say you want to be a little greedy, 24.7. Bro, this is 24.7. And this happening in a day. With this alone, you are done. That's what we are talking about here. With this alone, you are done for the day. With this alone, even if you use very good, lot size here, in a week you are done. And this strategy generates signals on a daily basis, because it work in many pairs. If you cannot see it in V25, you go to V50, you go to V51X, you go to boom and crash. You can go to currency pairs, check GBP USD. It works enough for you, because you will not be trading everything you see. Is for you to make decisions. Say, okay, this is my favorite pairs. Go and backtest. If you backtest it, you know the pairs you are comfortable with. Then you continue. This is just simple. All right. But for me, you see, just look at it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy, hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell. Okay, so that anytime I drop more videos, YouTube gonna notify. If you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Like this video, is very, very important, guys. So that YouTube will push this video more to people. All right, smash that like button. Check the description of this video to join Trade with Mitchell TUBA Nation. All right, and comment TUBA Strategy. Okay, TUBA Strategy, and go and practice this. And if you want to get the full details of everything, you want me to hold you by hand, I'm there 247. That is, go to TUBA Strategy Mentorship. That is where it's happening. Go to TUBA Strategy Mentorship. You have everything. I break everything, starting from the beginning to the end. I pieces everything, and I'm there 247 to answer your questions. Even if you have any question, I even make special video for you, because I seriously want you to become an independent, profitable trader. I seriously want you to, instead of you becoming a signal receiver, to become a signal provider. You don't need someone out there to give you signal in a market that is open 24 hours in a day, 7 days in a week. I want you to be the person that you can come into the chat and do what? Analyze the market to make money for yourself. And this thing, you can do it within less than 5 or 10 minutes. I'm just doing this because I want to explain it to you, because I have a lot of newbies watching this video. So I want to explain everything step by step. And if you have any question, you can still drop it in the description, in the comment section, please. If you have any question concerning this, drop it in the comment section. All right. So I can come into the chat and do this in less than 5 minutes. I can analyze